welcome to my mum's channel. I am taking over my mum's channel today, so let's get cooking. Right here I've got onion, here I've got parsley, here I've got potatoes, here I've got olive oil, here I've got breadcrumbs, here I've got salt, here I've got black pepper, here I've got eggs, here I've got grated cheese, here I have my bowl and masher. First, let's peel, cut, wash and boil our potatoes for 15 minutes. Our potatoes have boiled for 15 minutes and I am now going to strain my potatoes. Next, I'm going to mash it properly. After mashing my potatoes, it's time to add in all my ingredients. In goes my black pepper, in goes salt, in goes onions, in goes parsley. Mix. Finally, in goes my grated cheese and mix again. Just to let you guys know, you can add your cheese to the breadcrumbs instead of the potatoes, but I enjoy mine this way. Now it's time to roll my potatoes, dip into my eggs and breadcrumbs, then fry until golden brown. The pan has heated up, in goes olive oil and fry. Wow, look at that! It is yummy! Trust me guys, your kids will love it, mummies and daddies will love it, just the way I love it. It is time to serve guys, it is delicious. What are you waiting for? Have you subscribed to my mum's channel? If you have not subscribed, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification button. Also, like and share. My mum will see you in her next video. Bye bye. Ciao.